Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect monday.com to Base44. So, in order to do this, first of all, obtain the monday.com API token. Log into monday.com, so click on your profile icon and choose developers. Then you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to basically click on API token and copy this API token from just right here. Then navigate back to Base44 and click on integration. Then search for monday.com, click on monday.com, and here you can easily click on use this integration button. So this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. Make sure you upgrade to a builder plan or above in order to use this feature. After you upgrade your plan, you will see use this integration button where you can easily click on this button. It will take you to another page where you'll have to simply paste the API key copied from monday.com's API token page, and after you paste that API key, hit enter, you would have successfully connected your Base44 to monday.com. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.